to cook chicken afritada. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pherl TV. As you can see, I am now cooking a very special ulam for this Sunday. Okay, this Sunday is family day. I am now cooking chicken afritada. Okay, so I want to share also with you the recipe and then the procedure of cooking. So please stay, guys, and watch the succeeding video. Chicken afritada, guys. This is done. Thank you. Good morning. There's a rainbow always after the rain. Take a little time, baby. See the butterfly colors. Listen to the birds that sing for me and you. Can you feel me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pherl TV. In this morning video, I would just like to share my activity for today, which is I am at home and I used to cook a very delicious recipe. I am about to cook this chicken afritada, okay? The ingredients are chicken. I have here 1 kilo of chicken. The bell pepper, this is 1/4 bell pepper. I think 200 grams of bell pepper. The tomato, the garlic, the bay leaf, the onion, ito yung pampalasa natin, okay? The konting carrot lang, and I have here beans, green peas, tomato paste, and then I have here liver, okay, ground liver, okay. So please stay, guys, and let's now start the cooking. Please stay. Guys, the very first procedure is to preheat the pan, okay. Once the pan is already hot, okay, we now have to put at least 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, okay. Vegetable oil, and then after that, since the pan is already hot, we will now put the garlic, okay. The garlic, as you can see, this is my first vlog on how to make chicken afritada, okay. So I want to share this with you so that you can learn from me, especially to some mommies or looking for a recipe, okay. So ayan, guys, ilagay na natin yung sibuyas. Ayan. So, kapag translucent na, guys, yung garlic and onion, lagay natin yung broth cubes, okay? So, ilulutuin natin siya dyan, okay? Then I will now add the tomatoes. Okay. I will now add the bay leaf. Guys, I will put pork liver, okay? Chicken, sorry. Okay, guys, sinalo ko na yung chicken, ha. This is good for 2 days na. Weekdays we do workouts, okay. Then weekends we used to cook delicious food. Yan, okay. It's open again. Ayan, boiling na guys. Let's now add the... Ayan, since this is already boiling guys, ayan. Okay. Chicken Afritada. Chadada. Sarap nito. Ayan. Lagay na natin yung potato. Okay? Para lumambot-lambot na siya. I will add now the carrot. Okay. I will now add the green peas. It's open again. Ayan, boiling na guys. Let's now add the... Ayan, since this is already boiling guys, ayan. Okay. Chicken Afritada. Chadada. Sarap nito. Ayan. Lagay na natin yung potato. Okay? Para lumambot-lambot na siya. I will add now the carrot. Okay. I will now add the green peas. I'm sorry. Put that water. Naman yung loob ng bag. Yun. Okay guys, as you can see, antayin na lang natin siyang kumulo and then we will be putting the Chicken, it's boiling na guys. So last but not the least, we will be adding now the bell pepper, okay? It's a mixture of green and red bell pepper. Ayan, haluin natin. Tapos pakuloyin natin ng ilang 5 minutes, then it's done na, okay? Ayan, wow, ang sarap nito guys. My goodness. Diba, diba? Wow, may gulay. Lots of vegetables. Maliliit lang guys ang pagkaano po ng patatas para mabilis siya maluto, okay? Yan. Our chicken afritada. Malapit na siyang maluto. Yippee! It's done! It's done guys! Okay? So already done. I-mix natin. Ayan. Maluto na siya. Half cook lang natin yung ano guys. So as you can see. Ayan. Diba? So that's now have our lunch. Okay, since this is done, we have to turn off the flame and let's now have our lunch. Good morning.